Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Judith Wright, and I'm just excited to actually be recording. I purchased a Canon M50 after watching a million YouTube reviews, recommendations, reading reviews on Amazon, Best Buy. I decided to go with the Canon M50, and I'm psyched about it because A, I have no photography experience, and all the reviews I read, it sounds like it's easy for a beginner vlogger or photographer. So I'm super psyched to unbox this Canon M50 with you. Like I said, I'm new to YouTube, and this is a journey for me, and I'm excited about it. So here's the Canon M50. Now, before I open this up, I want to tell you guys that I purchased this refurbished off of Canon's website for $479.99 plus tax, and it came with the kit lens. So this is the camera and this is the kit lens for $479.99 plus tax. It retails for $599, so I thought it was a great deal, especially since I'm a beginner YouTuber and I have no photography experience or any type of experience with video editing or any of that stuff. So I just thought that for my first investment into a camera, this was like a smart choice. And a lot of people that have a lot of experience with cameras chose the Canon M50. So that's a little background as to where I purchased it. I bought it on, let's see, it was Thursday morning, and it was like 1:27 a.m. It just kept haunting me to buy this camera and get started. So I couldn't sleep. I'd been thinking about it, and I just went on my laptop, purchased it. I did regular shipping, and it got here on Tuesday afternoon. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 6 days. That's not bad, especially over a weekend. That's really good shipping. Shipping was $15.99, but I still thought it was a great deal for this camera. Another reason why I decided to get this camera is because I have a little time on my hands, and I figure that, you know, I'm building my content, I can make some cool videos. So I have a Jamaican background, and a lot of my friends, you know, they ask me, Judith, oh my goodness, like, how do you make that curry chicken? Or how do you make fried dumplings? Or, you know, some of our famous or popular Jamaican foods, our traditional foods like ackee and saltfish. So I thought it would be a great way to, you know, do some how-to videos. Another thing is I'm a homeowner, and, you know, sometimes I have to do things without my husband because he's not home sometimes. So I thought it'd be cool to, like, you know, show how to do simple things around the house that I had to YouTube because I didn't know how to do it, you know? So that's some of the reasons why I decided to get this camera. I'm also planning to take a real estate license, I'm also planning to get my real estate license, and I know that I'm going to probably have to take pictures or take videos, walkthroughs of properties. So I thought it would be great to take this time and get to learn how to use the camera so that when I get my real estate license, I can take, you know, awesome property pictures. And God forbids, I do not wish this at all. I really don't. But if there's like a housing crash or something, or where a lot of houses start flooding the market, where they're selling a lot of houses, they're going to need people to take pictures, and they're going to need people to go in those homes and do video walkthroughs so that they can get those homes listed, or even rental properties, whatever it is, they're going to need pictures to get those homes up, listed, advertised. And so I thought this was a great opportunity for me to hop on in terms of learning how to use this camera. Like I said, I am excited and I wanted to give you the reasons why I purchased it, not just for YouTube, but also for family stuff. Like, I love to travel. My daughter, she's been to Jamaica multiple times, and she's always asking to go to Jamaica. So now I can take awesome pictures when we go on family vacations. When during the holidays, I can take really great pictures instead of using my phone, or I can take quality photos, I can take quality videos and be able to archive them. So there's so many reasons why I bought this, not solely for YouTube, but YouTube was one of them. I'm not gonna lie, and this camera checks all those boxes. So without further ado, let's open up my new Canon. Well, refurbished, but hey, refurbished stuff is still good. I just want you guys to know that. Don't be scared of refurbished stuff, because it still comes with a 1-year warranty. So it's good. It's still good stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. I feel like it's Christmas. I'm so excited. If I could just open the box, right? So oh my goodness, why are these boxes so hard to open? Yeah, I'm obviously not doing good here. Here we go. Yeah, so here we go. Let's open this. Oh, okay. This is embarrassing, but it's all good. You know what it is? I'm just excited. Oh, really? It was that easy? Okay, so all you have to do is really just slide this up. But I'm just so excited. I wanted to just rip it open. Yeah. Okay, so we've got some packaging. Okay, we've got a little, counterfeits can be dangerous. Get informed. Okay. Wow. So, let's take everything out of the box. Oh, here goes my little baby. Okay, so it comes with a strap here, and I can prepare it with a pair of scissors. So this is like a camera strap. Nice, nice. So come in handy to secure the merchandise. It's pretty good length. So we've got a camera strap. Let's see. Oh, here goes the charger for it. Boop. Okay, there goes the charger. And let's see what this guy is. Okay, so this must be the battery. Can't wait to get this bad boy charged up. So this is the battery that goes in the charger. It's time to get it charged up. It has a little protector for it, which is nice too. You don't want those pieces getting dirty or damaged. Okay, so let's open it. Oh my goodness. Oh, get this thing. Oh my. It has a new car smell. It does. You have to get one to know what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. It is, first of all, it's smaller than I thought, which is good, because I didn't want to have to lug around a big old piece of contraption or equipment or whatever. And this is one of the pluses, one of the things that I was looking for in a camera. Something that I can easily put in my bag and just carry with me. I didn't want to have like a whole nother piece of checked on luggage for a camera. Or I just wanted something that wasn't going to be heavy, you know? Easy to manage, because I knew I was gonna have to like get other accessories for it, and that stuff can start weighing you down. So this thing feels really good. Like, it's not heavy at all. Wow, it's cool. Let's see. So this is, looks like this is the viewing monitor. There you go. This is really neat. Oh, and it swivels easily. Like, look how it's just so smooth. It's like you don't have to really push it hard. It's very, very nice. I haven't even powered it on, and I love this camera already. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I mean, so some of the specs on this camera that I, was really looking for too was 4K capability, even though I heard from some of the reviews the 4K shooting isn't, it can be a little tricky, but it's fine. But it's 1080p, that's what I'll be shooting in most of the time, but to know that I can shoot in 4K is also a bonus. So, here's that's the camera body here. Let's open up the lens. So it's nice that the camera came with the kit lens, because there's a lot of cameras that don't have awesome kit lens, or you can buy your camera without a kit lens, but then you're gonna have to spend more money for one. Ooh. Oh my goodness. So this is the kit lens that it comes with. And the kit lens, it's a basic one, but it's something that I feel like I can handle for now. And as I'm shooting and, getting familiar with the camera and watching 9,000 other YouTube videos on kit lens, then I'll know what other kit lens I'll need to get. But for now, I think this will serve its purpose. There's a little lens cover here. You don't want to get any dust. You want to protect it, so it's nice. And then there's a lens cover on the other side. There you go. It's pretty neat, nifty little lens kit. So some of the specs, I don't know if you guys are interested, and I'm going to be honest with you. I have no idea what some of this stuff means, but I know that they're good. They're decent. And the other people that use this camera like it, so I guess the specs are good. I'll definitely find out. So there's 4K/24K UHD video, 1080 capability as well, Wi-Fi, with Bluetooth, 235 shot per charge battery life, which is good, because if I'm out on a little trip with my daughter, I could just take pictures, take a whole bunch. That's a lot of 235 shots. That's a lot of pictures. So I'm excited about that. Also, that I'm not going to have to always take pictures with my cell phone anymore. So that's a lot of pictures per battery life. There's 24 MP. Digit 8 processor. Listen, like I said, I don't know what any of this stuff means. I really don't. And I'm not going to pretend to. And I don't even know if I'm reading it right. But it sounds lovely. And I love my new camera. Okay. So, enough of that. Did they even send me like a little manual or anything? Let me see. What else is in this box? Okay. So, I didn't see a manual. I guess I can go online for it. But... oh, okay, here we go. Thank you for purchasing a Canon product. Software, drivers, and product manuals, including safety and warranty information for refurbished products, may be downloaded from the Canon USA website using the following steps. Okay, so that's why there isn't a Canon manual in here, a camera manual, because it's on the website. And I'm so glad I read the little note they gave me, because I would have still been searching for a manual that's not there. So I'll go on the website. Definitely I'll download the manual. So I guess that's something to know. If you buy a refurbished camera, the manual isn't going to come with the camera because it's refurbished from Canon, and you can just go on the website and download it there, review it there. So that's fine. At least I know where to find it. That's where I get my drivers and all that other stuff. And I guess this thing is just, this counterfeit thing is pretty much letting me know that everything here is original Canon parts. And they're all genuine Canon accessories, and it's showing me how to identify and avoid counterfeits. So there's a genuine Canon anti-counterfeiting hologram on the package when purchasing replacement batteries, toner, and single ink, blah, blah, blah. So if you don't see that on any Canon products that you're purchasing, it's a counterfeit. Good to know, because I do plan to probably purchase, accessories, like, or maybe like other lenses, so at least I'll know what to look for on the packaging or whatever, to know that I'm buying a real Canon lens and not a counterfeit. Very good information. Thanks, Canon. So let's see if I can put in the battery and fire this bad boy up. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, here it goes. It's on the bottom. And let's try to open. Oh, it's like a little sliding door there. Okay. Be very gentle. It's just a baby. Yeah, it's my baby camera, so I'll be very gentle with it. Okay, so I'm just lining up the little prongs there, popping in the battery. Okay, very easy. Okay. Oh, Judith, that's not the on button. That's to take a picture, whatever that button is called. Okay, here's the on switch. Oh, let's see. That's so cool. Okay, it's just because it's new. I feel like it's Christmas, I never really buy myself a lot of new things. Like, my kid gets everything. I'm always buying stuff for the house, but nothing for me, and this is for me. Let's see. It's nice. Look at this is the display. Yeah, so it's, prompting me to set the date, time. I'll definitely do that later. Oh, and this is, the lens protector for, oh, look at that. It's so shiny. Okay, I have a new toy. This is going to be my new toy. My daughter's going to be sick of me. My toddler is going to be sick of me because I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures and videos, and I'm going to be editing those videos and pictures so that I know how to use it, and I know how it looks when I upload it to my computer and into whatever video editing program that I need to decide on soon, because I have the camera now. So there goes the camera. So that's pretty much it. I'm excited. Thanks so much for, watching. I do want to say that I have purchased a couple of little accessories for the camera. One of them is this Joby tripod. I really liked it. It's similar to like the Gorilla tripods. I like the fact that you can twist it up and attach it to things. And I feel like it'll be good for what I'm going to, use it for. And I'll do another video with accessories that I purchased for this. But this was something I knew that I needed right away. I also got lighting, which is on its way. And what else did I get? Of course, SD card. You need an SD card for this. So I've ordered other things that should be arriving soon, and I'll do another video to go over the accessories. But I want to just thank you so much for watching me unbox, and this is the beginning of a beautiful journey. I just want to get this thing charged up and start using it. Well, thanks so much, and see you next time. Well, thanks so much for watching this video and coming along on this journey with me.